Alrighty, hello, my name is Oliver Bryant. This is my FTT 114 Custom Kydex class. I'm going to be doing this video in a time-lapse manner, so I'm going to go ahead and talk about the things you want us to cover beforehand. You want us to talk about the tools and equipment that we will be using in this bending process. The first tool I'll be using will be my firearm in question. This is my Bursa. I'm going to go ahead and clear this. This is my Bursa Thunder Tactical Combat Plus. I'm going to be making in the waistband holster. I'm going to set this out of frame, but I'll re-clear it when I bring it back on. I'll also be using a toaster oven that's off camera, along with the press that I made earlier last week. Other than that, the only other tools would be my razor blade, my gloves, and my infrared thermometer. You want a rough sketch of what our final design really looks like. I didn't really draw up a design. I kind of just went ahead and designed my build around kind of almost like a Glock holster, but I have all of my build-up and everything for it. You also want a video of us building the mold. I'll do that in a time lapse, and I'll angle the camera down so you can see everything. And then you want us to show the press design after everything. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and I'm going to angle the camera down so you can see everything, and I will clear the firearm again because it's coming back on frame. So thank you. Alright, so I'm all done with the prep work. I'm going to go ahead and cut out my piece of Kydex, and then I'm going to throw it in the toaster oven, and then I will form it, and I will pause it again, give my final thoughts when I'm all done. And the little bit of time that I did see the Kydex, it shrunk a lot more than what I was planning on, and I even gave myself an extra 2 inches just so I could cut more off if I really had to, but it looks like I might be an inch short on it now. So I'm gonna go ahead and wait for this to cool, and I'll open up and see how it looks. I don't have high hopes for it. This toaster oven I'm using, I had it set to 250 to slowly build up